You know, at first I came up with the topic of how I manage several YouTube channels, like what it's like from the management perspective, from a daily routine perspective. But then I realized it's not just me, it's me and my wife, and we are, I guess, a couple of solopreneurs, digital nomads. And we are not only doing YouTube, we're doing Facebook, Telegram, and other social media platforms. So I guess it would be more interesting to tell you guys about the reality on the ground. What is it like to escape 9 to 5 and provide for yourself and your family by posting on social media and making content? So for example, this is the condo we are currently living in. We rented this for a month because my wife wanted to post content for her Facebook personal page. And when we came here, I expected that she would be making videos, but I don't know much about Facebook. I'm more specialized on YouTube. So she's just posting pictures, and these pictures are getting like $5, $10, $15 per picture. Obviously you cannot post a batch of pictures, like 100 pictures, 1000 pictures per day, but I was surprised to find out that all she need is to like walk around the city and post some pictures with I guess some 2 lines of information, and Facebook is paying for this. Before that, for I guess half a year, we were living in a village creating content, and now I'm mostly live streaming, so I'm earning money, if you can call this earning, from subscribers donations. I also earn money from ads on Telegram. I also have a small paid community. It's currently growing. I have 23 subscribers and they paying me $1 per month, so it's $23 per month. But I'm planning to make it bigger and create a sustainable income. If you want to build your own paid community, you should check out the link in the description. So it's called escaping 9 to 5, but instead of 9 to 5, you exchanging your work time to basically all day long without holidays. Almost every day I post something, I edit something, or I create something. So basically what you see at 10 minutes of video, it takes 20-30 minutes of recording, about sometimes up to 2 hours of editing because of I forgot what I was saying, and I don't know, uploading 1 hour. So one video takes almost half a day, and we're talking about simple talking head videos. I'm also making a project currently, 30 days swimming fat loss challenge. Basically it's a daily vlog where I record and document what I eat, my daily activity, but everything will be compressed in one long video for my other channel. And to just create one piece of content like this, you gotta do the grind. It takes tremendous amount of hours involved into this activity. Obviously I'm not doing this just for YouTube, I'm doing this for my health. And this type of content, I don't recommend you doing it, I don't recommend you starting with it, and it basically has higher chances of exploding, but realistically I know it will tank like all my other challenges. I just like doing something creative from time to time. So I mix daily activities with something complex and creative, and I have to manage it from the financial perspective. In reality, sometimes we are thriving, but sometimes we are just scraping by. I am not some kind of an online millionaire because nowadays everyone is, but I'm not. I'm just a regular dude who's been doing this for many years. So nothing fancy, not really dozens of thousands of dollars per month. We earn from $1,000 to $4,000. 4,000 is obviously a good month for two people. Sometimes she's staying on my back. She was staying on my back for last 8 months, I guess. Her Facebook page got shadow banned, and only this month it revived. She started earning money again, but my sources of income fell this month. So that's why you need a series of really good months. You need a prolonged time of high earnings to really, I don't know, take off and thrive in this business. I have several YouTube channels, I think about 10. Not all of them are active. Obviously, I cannot post constantly on all of them. Some are, I guess, conserved, some are forgotten. I constantly post on, let me guess, this channel, live streaming channel, another vlog channel, and some experimental channel. I think 4 or 5 channels I still update. Also, I daily post stuff on Telegram. It's like a live blog, I guess. And these activities I do by myself. Previously, I had experience of bringing up, creating some small teams that create content without me. I had big websites with teams of, I don't know, 2 to 7 people. I guess maximum was 7 people in a continuous team, and everything was remote, and I was only managing stuff. I wasn't creating content or planning content. I was paying salaries. But now this is mostly gone, and I have only one garden blog. So it's not really a team. One woman works creating content like about gardening or cooking, and this blog is very old, about 6 years, and it's bringing, I guess, $20 to $80 per day. But now it's December, so in Northern Europe it's not a gardening season, so it's now on the lower end. And I just mentioned that sometimes we are scraping by, so it's good to have several sources of income. For example, now my sources of income are falling, and my wife's Facebook page is growing, so we can manage it. I know it would obviously be better to have like one huge channel, huge social media account with millions of subscribers, but it is what it is. I'm telling you what it's like on the ground. So my biggest channel I completely abandoned. You know, it was 22,000 subscribers. It was a solopreneur vlog, basically talking about business, finance, passive income, and it wasn't growing for more than 4 years. So in my last video I just said, guys, I see this thing is not growing. This means I'm doing something wrong. So I want to abandon this channel. And if you see the next video should be from my own apartment that I earn from social media. And if not, this means just not. So I abandoned my biggest channel to, I guess, give more time for other projects, for live streaming, for channels on various topics. For example, this channel, I plan to monetize with affiliate links. I don't really expect to earn much from AdSense on this channel. This channel is designed to more like an affiliate experiment, and this channel, I created for a specific audience of part-time content creators who want to go full-time and want to escape 9 to 5. So that's why I'm sharing this experience with you guys. And if you have any questions, you comment down below. So when you are doing this for so long, you don't really think about problems that other people encounter with a different experience. Like I quit my 9 to 5 so many years ago, so I don't even remember what it's like. And if you have some thoughts, some questions, some troubles, you can ask me in the comments, and maybe I will make a separate video on the topics that you guys care about. To make things more interesting, I will ask my wife her opinion on this matter. She doesn't know, she is not prepared. I will just come and ask her. Tell the guys what you feel about earning money with social media. Good, that's it. Any advice you can share?
If you can work and have your own money, your life is free. You don't have to stay under anybody.
People are collecting garbage. The sound is completely destroyed, so we will try again. Darlene, share some good advice for people who want to escape 9 to 5.
Well, you must do, because as soon as possible you work, you got money from online or whatever, and is the money that you can earn. You will feel free, feel alive.
What you mostly posting on your Facebook page?
How I like and how people like is like have to stay with like stable. Not just I like 100%, people like 100%, it have to be like some weight, so everything will work.
What content do you post?
My life.
And why people are watching your life?
Because my life is doing what people want to see.
Well, if you didn't hear anything, just remember this. If you don't want to collect garbage till the rest of your days, it's better to start earning something online now. One interesting insight that I can share is that it looks easy. You just take your camera and record something. But in reality, recording something or even editing something, it's just 20% of work, maybe 10%. So when I'm in my room, I'm watching YouTube, consuming tons of information, analyzing, creating the ideas. So basically most part of work is in a background here, in a background of my brain. It's 80% of all work. That's why it's called creative work or intellectual work. You cannot really estimate like how much you're working. Sometimes I feel that I'm working all the time. When I'm not sleeping, I'm working, and sometimes I'm dreaming dreaming of work. I'm dreaming and some ideas come up, and when I wake up I just want to write it down. This is the life of a solopreneur, of a digital nomad, whatever. But I enjoy the freedom. Yeah, I enjoy the freedom. Just finished swimming. I guess what I was trying to say, there is no work-life balance in this career. Your life is work and your work is life, and there is no escape. They're intertwined. At any time, any of your pages, channels or websites can fall, can get shadow banned, can disappear from search results, and it's not up to you. It's never up to you. You also need to understand seasons. For example, when your topic is garden and it's not a season, you should plan in advance what you will eat in winter when nobody cares about garden. So if you don't want to drive a truck till the rest of your life or do office work, and you want to build your own scene and travel the world, I guess it's time to subscribe.